We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We release these two screws. We remove the back cover. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the charging flex. We remove 4 screws. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process.